Our solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy. The planets in the solar system revolve around the sun. The rotation, revolution, runs this universe, galaxies, stars, planets, and the life. The greatest innovation ever in this world. What? Telescope. Telephone. Radio waves. Engine. Airplane. No. It was very simple one, but it was an important innovation in the history of the world. The wheel. The greatest innovation of all time ever made by the human. Civilizations evolved because of this wheel. It was invented in Mesopotamia 6,000 years ago by an unknown person. Soon wheels were used for pottery. This invention spread around many parts of the world. Soon, wheels are used to produce more useful products. Trade is possible with the help of wheels. And the iron wheels were invented 3,000 years ago. Through this, quick travel become possible and transport has been developed around the world. Capturing the other territories with the help of modern weaponry. Long-distance war led to the formation of big empires. Trade throughout the country, throughout the world become a reality. In this modern world, nothing is possible without the help of wheels. Wheel is the base for transport. Wheel is the base for infrastructure. Wheel is the base for electricity. Wheel is the base for any technology. Engine. Turbines. Processors. Big machineries. Anything that rotates artificially was a wheel. If the rotation has been stopped, the Earth would be in standstill. If there is no wheel, humans was just another nomadic animal in this world.